everybody, this is Spectra, and today we're on to day 12 of the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar. So let's find day 12 and open it out like that. So let's open this up. And see what we got. We got Chipotle pepper sauce. Just hold it up like that. So let's open this up and see how it tastes. Okay, we got to open up and let's see how it tastes. That has a nice smoky taste to it. And it has a really nice kick. It's like a smoky taste and a kick. It's like flavored than the spice. What? Oh, I like that. Now let's see how it tastes with the chip. Okay, one chip. Okay. Tastes great with the chip. So yeah, this is a very good sauce. It has a nice smoky flavor to it, and it has a nice kick. So yeah, I'd probably give this one a 9 out of 10. So yeah, that was the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar day 12. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for day 13 coming tomorrow. And with all that said, this has been Spectra signing off.